Hi guys, I am Manoj Kumar, founder of Basics Programming YouTube channel. Now I'm going to explain about Python program to find repeat and missing number of elements in an array. Okay, now let's see. They given an example 3, 1, 2, 5, 3. Here is a set of elements, means it is a given array. We should find repeat and missing number of element. So what is the repeat element in this given array? 3 is there 2 times. So 3 should be printed first. After that, what should be the missing number of elements in a given array? 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is not there, 3 is there, 5 is there. So 4 is not there now, so 4 should be printed. Now let's go into the program. See, now I'm taking A is equal to list of map of int comma input dot split. Okay, here A is nothing but it's a list. We are asking the input from the user. Okay, this input from the user. After that, I'm taking a variable n is equal to length of a. Okay, what is the length of a? Means length of array 5 elements are there, no? So 5 is stored in n variable. Okay, 5. After that, now taking a variable x is equal to sum of a. Here variable x is used to find repeat element in a given array. Means 3 should be printed. Okay, now let's see. X is equal to sum of a minus sum of set of a. Okay, what is sum of a? Sum of a is nothing but sum of elements in a given array. What is the sum of elements in a given array? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 5, 3 plus 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 3 14. So 14 will be print minus sum of set of array. Set of a means we do not have any duplicate elements, so we excluded these 3. We should calculate up to here only. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 3 11. So 11. What is the sum? 11 minus 4 3. Okay, now next I'm taking k variable. K is equal to sum of a minus int of n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, here k variable is find missing number of element in an array. Okay, now let's see. What is sum of a? Means sum of elements in a given array. What is sum? 14. Okay, minus int of n into m plus 1 by 2 means what? Here n means what? 5 now. So we are writing 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so what is resultant? 14 minus 5 into 5 plus 1 means what? 5 into 6 by 2. 5 6 are what? 30. 30 by 2 means what? 15. So resultant is minus 1. So k is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 3. Now I'm printing the elements. Print x comma x minus k. Okay, now what are expecting the output? First first I should print repeat element. After that I should print missing element. Okay, in a given array. Here x minus k is there. No, first what will be print means print x. First 3 will be printed. After that x minus k means what? 3 minus of minus 1. What is this resultant? 3 plus 1 what? 4. So 4 will be printed in x minus k. Okay, now let's check the output. So here it is asking array from the user, means myself. 3 1 2 5 3. Okay, this is our example. See the output. We got 3 and 4. Here 3 is nothing but what? Repeat element in a given array, and 4 is nothing but what? Missing element in a given array. That's it, guys.
Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting my channel throughout the year. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.